Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to remove Meta AI from Facebook and is it possible? So, when you open or launch your Facebook application and if you have updated or you're using the latest version of this application, unfortunately, you cannot remove Meta AI because this feature is already added in the latest version or updated version of your Facebook application. But if you want to get rid of this feature, then there is a way for that. First, you just have to exit your Facebook application, tap or long press, click on install or tap app information. Once you tap this one, then what you're gonna do here is to click on install. Okay, so once you have uninstalled your Facebook application, then you can exit this one and then go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser. And then here you have to look for an old or older version of your Facebook application. Why? Because in the older versions of Facebook application, you cannot see this Meta AI. So type old version of Facebook, click this one, or click the very first link that you can see here. Then scroll down and look for that older or oldest version of Facebook. Everything is up to you. So once you found it, okay, it's either 2023 or 22, everything is up to you. Now tap download and then install this old version of Facebook. Once you're done, then open the Facebook application again, and then you will see that this Meta AI is not there because your Facebook application is not yet updated. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.